Hello, welcome to the MeasureSquare Stone tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to export your proposal in the Stone Cut web template for the Stone Cut tab. Once your worksheet is completed, to create a proposal for our project, you will click on the Export to Excel icon and then click on the Save button. This will save our proposal and open up our file where we can double-click to view it in Excel. We then can modify the Excel template if needed to complete the proposal. If we want to link this worksheet up with the MeasureSquare Stone Cut tab, we can go to the worksheet view and click on the Export Stone Cut Template option. This will open the Excel file where we can modify anything in the Materials tab if needed. In our case, we will adjust the length to be the needed size of 128 feet for both materials. We can also review our Products tab from the Excel view to review from our product output. Once we have the Stone Cut template ready to go, we can close out of Excel and go back into MeasureSquare Stone. Click on the Stone Cut tab and import the Stone Cut template. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and information for all MeasureSquare products.